Hi, I'm Nigel Kennedy, or No Pain Nigel, from the Village Dental Centre in Brighton. I've been a dentist since 1980 and I've been working in Brighton since 1981-82. What we're going to talk about today is how to correct crooked teeth. A lot of people either look on Google or phone the practice or read the magazines, whatever, and would like to know how they can have their teeth straight. The reason they don't like their teeth as they are is perhaps they're embarrassed to smile or it's difficult to clean their teeth or whatever. So I'll talk a little bit about that today, what the options are, what the costs are, how long it takes. If it's something that you're interested in, you can ring us on Brighton 88 5522 and speak to Vicky and ask to come and see us. There'll be no pressure whatsoever to do that, however, so I'll run through a few options. So people would like to straighten crooked teeth because they're difficult to clean, which means you're more likely to have gum disease, bad breath and so on. They also don't like the appearance of them, they look a bit untidy, and they also cast shadows onto the teeth that are instanding or outstanding in their position, making them look a bit black and not particularly good. And people want to look at their best for interviews or whether it's a new relationship or whatever. So it's important to have these teeth straight. A lot of people have crooked teeth because they had orthodontic treatment and maybe they didn't retain their teeth, that is, hold them in the right position. They didn't keep the retainers at night. Now they've relapsed and so they're back where they started. There are a number of ways of treating crooked teeth. You know, there's conventional orthodontics, which is going to an orthodontist, and you can then have braces fitted a little bit like in this picture where you have wires and little brackets fitted on the teeth. Now that's used in quite complicated cases mainly, and you need to go to an orthodontist for that. We can advise you whether that's the best treatment for you. Cost-wise, it can be anything between £4,000 and £10,000 and can take anything up to 2 to 3 years. So quite involved, and it's mainly for more advanced or complicated cases. There's another system that's been a lot in the magazines and papers called Invisalign or clear braces. This is a patient or a model with an Invisalign tray. It's a sort of plastic tray that fits over the teeth, and you have a sequence of those over a period of time to straighten your teeth. Again, it's quite time consuming, can take up to a year, 2 years to do, and fairly costly because there's a lot of laboratory work, a lot of trays used. So cost-wise can be £4,000 or £5,000. A third alternative that we've been using a lot in the last year or two, that I've used a lot, is called an Inman aligner. It's a little device like this. We call it removable because you can take it out to eat and to go out, socialise, whatever. It's a little plastic device with a couple of little wires on it. It's not shown in the mouth really when it's in place. It's got some springs on it, and basically that will straighten your teeth in as little as 6 weeks, sometimes up to 16 weeks, just depends on how awkward or complicated the case is. Cost-wise, about £1,800 to £2,000, and often we throw in something like whitening your teeth or whatever included in that cost. Another method, again, that's a little bit like more comprehensive orthodontics, where you have the wires and brackets in your teeth we've done recently, is called 6-month smiles. That's again using this system with brackets and wires on the teeth, but they're all clear so you don't see them. That allows us to do cases where we need to straighten a few more teeth than average. So the choice really comes down to what you're trying to do. It comes down to which teeth you want straightened, and for most adults we've found what they actually want straightened is just really their front teeth. It's not all of their back teeth, because they don't come in and say I can't bite together or whatever. They just say it's the front teeth you don't want correcting. So if you'd like your teeth corrected and it's just the front ones, then really our recommendation tends to be more using an Inman aligner. It's quick and easy, or to use 6-month smiles, where you do have some brackets put on your teeth and some wires put on, and it allows you to do the treatment fairly quickly. With 6-month smiles, it is basically 6 months, but it allows you to correct the front teeth only, basically, and to rotate teeth that are in poor position, or close spaces between teeth that have opened out, that type of thing. That 6 months braces will cost somewhere in the region of about £3,000 to do. So it's a bit more expensive than an Inman aligner, but it allows you to do both the upper and the lower teeth. So there are a number of options really here, and you know, as a patient it is a bit confusing, and we do a system whereby you can have a free smile or a crooked teeth audit, which means you can come in to see us. It doesn't cost anything to do that, you've got nothing to lose. you can just ring up Vicky at the Village Dental Centre, 885522, or Chloe, and just say you'd like to come in for a free audit on correcting your crooked teeth. And we'll do that for you and run through these options and tell you which might be best for you with no obligation whatsoever. If you don't feel up to coming in at the moment, that's also okay. Why not just go to our website, www.villagedentalentre.co.uk. When you get there, you can go to Straight Teeth Guide, and we'll send you out the guide how Brighton women can correct their crooked teeth and what the options are. I hope that's been of some assistance, and good luck. Thank you.